Alright, so you guys have been asking me to do the sweater to two-piece tutorial, so here it goes. So first you're going to start off with an oversized sweater. Okay, so first figure out how long you want the top to be, and then once you figure it out, just go ahead and start cutting straight across. This is what the two pieces should look like. Okay, now get a pair of shorts that you can fit and place it on the bottom half of the shirt and use it as an outline to cut. It should look just like this. So now all I'm doing is placing the side that I just cut on top of the other side and using it as an outline as well. This is what the pieces should look like. Now you're going to turn both pieces of the bottoms right side in. Now sew a zigzag stitch straight down this little crotch area. Okay, now you turn one of the bottom legs right side out and you're going to place it inside of the one that's wrong side out. And then just line up the crotch area and then you're going to sew both sides straight down. You see in how these two pieces connect, you're going to sew this straight down on both sides from the crotch up to the waistline. Now I'm just taking the extra fabric that I had from the pants and cutting it into the shape of the beanie. And so once you do that, you just sew right along the edge. And here's what the final result should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick tutorial. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and also leave me some suggestions if there's other things that you would like to see me make.